Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share my second digital junk journal kit. It is called Woodland Wonders, and I was going to print off a descriptive page and forgot to make it, so I just hand wrote it real quick here. We have 9 journal tags on 2 pages, 5 journal cards which are all on 1 page, and then 12 journal pages. So let's go ahead and get into this kit. So as you can see here, it is a woodland kit. I've got bunnies, mushrooms, dragonflies, bees, deer, all kinds of stuff in here. So this page has 7 journal cards, and then the next page has 2 journal cards, and these are large. Here's my hand. You can see how large those are. And I've put some labels on most of these, so you can like tear a piece of paper and put your word on there that you like. And then the journal cards, I went ahead and put some words on there. And as you can see, we've got some trees. There's a cute little deer. And then I just wanted these kind of brown flowers, kind of bring a little bit of a feminine feel to it. And this is our first journal page here. So I did a lace background with a couple of large journaling spots on there, and then just the same flowers up in each corner there. And then here's the second one, again with a couple journal spots. And of course you'll be trimming these and then folding them in half for use in your journals. I always trim the white off. Some people don't, that's fine. And then here's this one. So I wanted some just background pages with mostly white so that it's not using a whole bunch on your printer. And you'll see in the background here there are some lines going through this. So, oh actually that's on the next page, sorry. And then we have this page which is lined. And we have these little mushrooms in the corner, a couple tags at the top. And the next page has a mushroom background with, again, these journal spots on there. I like this kind of torn papered look. And then this has a wood background with the little bunnies in each corner. So I think they're really cute, and I layered it up with some daisies on there and some grass. This page is a little bit more colorful, so I like to put the lace down the middle. When you fold that, you get that nice little peak of lace, and it looks like this is tucked underneath it. So I liked how that turned out. And then you've got your little dragonflies over there. Again, this is just a background page, so it's just daisies and wildflowers there in the background. And then this page has some trees on it. And I put this little lace trim at the top there. I thought that was kind of made it a little more feminine looking. And then here's a background page again with a whole bunch of cute little owls on there. And then this is the last journal page here, is just a large floral page. And then when that gets folded in half, you'll have a nice color palette. It coordinates well with everything. So again, this is called Woodland Wonders. It's available in my shop right now, and that is Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. That's Ko-fi, and it will be listed in the shop section on there under digital kits, and it is $3. So I do have it set at $3, or you can pay more if you want, but yeah, it's in there at $3. And then be sure to check out my free digitals on there as well. I'm going to be adding at least one a month on there. And I do have my first journal kit is free on there. If you haven't seen or heard of that, you'll want to check that out. It's called Sunflower Power. And it is also a 12 or 15 page kit. And then it has an additional 3 pages of ephemera that you can purchase for $1. And that's in the Dollar Digi section. The Sunflower Power kit is in the free section. So I have the digital section, the free digital, and the $1 digital. So I'll just go through these again here so you guys can get a feel for how the kit will go together. I thought this would be really pretty with coffee dyed paper or eco dyed paper. So I'll be watching my channel in the future. I will be using this kit to create a journal. So I'll be watching my channel and check that all out when you have opportunity. Again, getting to the end here just as I go through these final pages. So I hope you check out my shop. I did add a few extra items in there made by me and also by Dawn. I have a whole bunch of journals in there from various artists and some more coming up. So be sure to check it all out again. That's at Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you have a great day.